Hello children, so today we are going to discuss about the multiplication of binomials. So in the previous exercise we have discussed about only the multiplications, that means only the multiplication of monomials, only one term multiplication. Suppose if here it is given one term x and you have to do the multiplication with suppose a plus b, like this it is multiplication, how to do that we have discussed. But here in this exercise we are going to discuss multiplication of monomial. Suppose here it is given a plus b is binomial, one term, and another one term, two term with binomial, suppose x plus y. So this is also one binomial, this is also one binomial. So multiplication, how to do this, we will discuss about in this exercise. Okay, so one thing I want to tell you that actually my display has some problem due to the display, and my mobile is the whatever photos captured is not properly clearly visible actually. So you have to adjust for only for 2-3 days. After that it will be solved. Okay, so don't worry about this. So that last documents I have, whatever I have given in the last exercise document, so I think it is not properly cleared so that you can observe. I think it's some yellowish something is visible, no? So that because of my mobile problems, so within 2-3 days it will be cured. So you have to adjust for 2-3 days. Okay, don't mind. Okay, now that's multiplication of binomials. So in this, how to do the multiplication? Suppose here it is given a plus b, this one binomial and this is also one binomial. So how to do these types of binomial term multiplication? So first of all, you have to think this one as one term. You imagine this is as a this x plus y as a only one term, only one thing is a, suppose you multiply this whole is considered as a k. Okay, so if it is given a plus b into k, what you will do? You will split this term with this, na? So that means you will do like this: a into k plus b into k, means ak plus bk, like this we will write now. So similarly here also it is given a plus b multiplication of x plus y. So first you consider this is as a, this is for first time I'm explaining, that's why I'm telling you. So when you are doing 2-3 times multiplications of these types of multiplication, then it will be easy for you. At the time no need to do this split end. So this x plus y together considered as a one term. So if it is given one binomial term with one monomial term, what you will do? You will split that, na? So here I will write a into this term, a into k. So this whole term you consider it as a k, then it will be a into k. So here what is your k? X plus y. So it will be a into x plus y. Here plus is given, so that's why between plus b into k. K means x plus y. Okay, now simply do the multiplication and forget about this term. Only you think this one monomial, binomial. In a previous exercise you have learned now how to do the multiplications. So do ax ay. So ax ay. Similarly bx plus by. So now check this one. Without doing this line, you can directly tell. See, a into x ax, a into y ay, b into x bx, b into y by. That means if it is given like this, so simply we can, without writing this form, simply you can tell a into x ax, then with this first term you go to the second term, a into y ay, then again start with b into x bx, then plus is given here also plus, so it will be plus by. So similarly in this case also, here three terms is given, here 3 terms, here 3 terms. So first of all you consider one factors as a one only single term. So this a plus b is given, so you consider this term as a, suppose x. Okay, so here not x, you consider it as a p. This term I have considered as a p. So a plus b plus c into p is given. Then what it will be? A into p, b into p, c into p. So a into p means your x plus y plus z, plus b into p, c into p I have written. Now you do the multiplication in exercise 5b you have learned now. So a into x, ax, a into y, ay, a into z, az, bx, by, bz, cx, cy, cz. Okay. So without doing this form, simply you can do the multiplications. As much as you do the practice of this multiplication, then it will be very easy for you to write this term directly. So now say a into x, ax, then a into y, ay, a into z, az. Okay, then a's work is finished. Now we will go to the which term? Second term, b. B into x, here plus is given, here also plus, here nothing is there, means plus is there, so thereby I have written plus. B into x, bx, then b into y, all are positive side, that's all it will be positive. B into y, by, b into z, bz. B's work is complete. Now we will go to c. C into x, cx, c into y, cy, c into z, cz. C. Simply. Okay. So with this concept we will do the exercise 5c. Okay, so question number 4, you see here it is given x square plus 5 x square minus 6. So now you can split. If you have confused with with which term you have to do the multiplication, then you can do the second explanation like how I have done in the example, or simply you can do the multiplication not simply directly. So see, with this first term you have to do the multiplication of this first term. So x into x square into x square will be x power 4. Okay, now with this first term you have to do the multiplication of second term. That means one by one you have to go. First you complete this work, this term, first term work, then you go for the second term. Okay, so now x square into 6, here minus is there, here plus is there, so minus plus minus 6x square. So x square work is finished. Now go to the second term, 5, and here your first term is x square, so plus, here also plus, so it will be 5x square. Okay, now this term with your 6, first second term and second term, minus, here plus, here minus is given, so minus plus minus, 5 6 are 30. These two are like terms, subtraction is possible or addition possible. Whatever possible you do, minus 6x square plus 5x square, that means minus x square, then minus 30. This is your answer. Okay, similarly all this question you have to do only that 7 number. You see 7 number is the same, just here fractional terms are there. Don't get confused with this fractional term, whatever it is given. Just you go through the rules. What is that rule? You have to do the multiplication one by one. First with first term you have to do the multiplication, then with second term you have to do the multiplication, then third term, then fourth term, like this. So with this 3x you have to do the multiplication of this first term. So 3x into 6x, 3x into 6x, what it will be? 3 2s are 6, that I told now. First you have to do the multiplication of constant, so 3 and 2 6, x and x 6x square. Now with this you second term, 3x into 3y by 7. You see inside column you do multiplication, 3x 3y by 7, 3 3s are 9, x and y 9xy, denominator 7 will be as it is. So 9xy by 7, here minus or plus, here it is plus given, here it is minus given, so plus minus minus, so 9xy by 7. Again this term work is finished. Now with second term, 5y by 7 into 2x. If you are confused, then you can write in the working column and do the multiplication, 2x, 5 2s are 10, numerator multiplication, y and x, 10xy by 7. both are plus, here is also plus, this also plus, so it will be plus only. Now this with this second term, this one you have to do the multiplication of last one. So what it will be? 5y 3y 7, here also 7, so 5 3 is a 15 y square by 49. Okay, minus or plus? Here plus is given, here minus, so plus minus 15 y square by 49. This is your answer. Okay, 8 9, same only. See the question number 10. In this question number 10 also you have to do the multiplication first. Multiply this by this one and verify the result for this. X equal to 1, y equal to 2. You have to verify what will be the result. You have to do the multiplication first. So while doing multiplication, simply you have to do the multiplication, then after you have to verify. So do the multiplication. If you do the multiplication, you will get this term. After that, put the value of x here 1 and y here 2. In all the case, here x value you will write like this. Your expression is this one. 12, x value is 1, so 12 1 power 4. Then 7x square y, 7x square means 1 square, y means 2. So like this you have to do the multiplication, then cancellation, then you will get minus 40. Okay, see the question number 11. In this question number 11, here first you have to do the multiplication, then addition, because Bodmash rule. This also you can do. This one I will do. 2x minus 3, 5x plus 2. Directly I will do 2x into 5x, 10x square. 2x into 2, 2 to the 4x. 3 into 5 minus 15. 3 to the 6. 3 and 4, 12x square. 3 and minus 1 minus 3x. 7 4s are 28. 7 1s are 7. Okay. Now check like terms. This 2 are like terms, this 2 are like terms. 10x square, 12x square, 22x square. 15x, 4x, 19x. Then 3x minus 28x, 31x. Minus 6 plus 7 plus 1. So again subtraction, this. Okay.